you not joining the classes, Chad?
बच्चे को हॉलीडे था, अभी मैम नहीं आई तो चेक बैठो आज।
Okay.
कोचिंग लोग कर रहे हैं
Arijit,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Akshaj,
आई
Akshaj,
IRD bird।
Akrishi,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Avika,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Ganesh, Ekam,
CITY
Ganesha,
MONDKY मंडी।
Varvangi,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Pranchal, Sohad, Sohad, Shubh,
Yes मैम।
Vidisha,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Vedant,
हमें इंग्लिश लिटरेचर की बुक है।
Anil, Parth, Parth, are you there?
Yes मैम।
Vaishnavi, Akshat is here. So till now, Ekam, Sohad, and Vaishnavi is not here. You all know which period is this?
Yes मैम, I
So
know।
you are asking for English book from your mother. Shubh will tell me which period is this.
Yes।
First of all, children, you have to be in the habit of telling the answer from the one whom I have asked. If I ask the question from one child, only that child will answer me, not all. And once you have to answer, I've taken your name, you will unmute yourself, you'll speak, and again you will mute yourself. Because if you have unmuted yourself the whole time, it creates disturbance for everybody. Pranchal, mute yourself. Akrishi, mute yourself. And second thing is that everybody has to be on the camera. Ekam, I was taking the attendance and you have not told me that you are present. Ekam, please come on the camera.
Ma'am, my video is on.
But I'm not able to see you how your video is on. Akshat, come on the camera. See, children, we are studying online since 2 to 3 months, and you have to follow the rules. If you will not follow the rules, then it will be creating disturbance for everybody. The ones who are understanding and the ones who are not understanding and the one who is teaching all. It's for all. Parth, please come on the camera. Ekam, you are not visible. Everybody else is visible. Shad and Akshaj, come on the camera. Okay, so this is EVS Spirit. Last time, before holidays, we have studied the chapter number 3. The written work was left over. So, Gauramangi, what is the chapter number 3? Can you tell, please?
My family.
Acha. Are you sure?
No, ma'am.
Arijit. Okay, wait, Gauramangi. Arijit, lesson number 3.
Care for others.
Yes, exactly. Care for others. Ane, can you tell the meaning of care for others?
Ma'am, the meaning of
Please unmute yourself and rest everybody will stay muted. Yes, Ane.
the meaning of take care of
Care for other means taking care of the other people.
taking care
Right?
of the
Taking care of your mother, family, neighbor, friends.
yes,
If
ma'am.
somebody is unwell, then we used to visit the place with sometimes with flowers or sometimes with fruits, etc.
Yes, ma'am.
Or a get well soon card. So I care for that person. That's why I visited. Parth was unwell last year. So I think Apurva ma'am visited him, right? Parth, Apurva ma'am came to your place when you were unwell. Parth, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
we, the school
Yes, ma'am.
community, was caring for Parth to get well soon. That's why Apurva ma'am visited his place in respect to the whole school and wished him get well soon. So because we care for Parth, in the same way when we care for other, we want that person to be healthy, fit and happy.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking up.
Beta, there is some network issue, that's why my voice is breaking up. I was wanting the class to be in Google Meet, but I think there is some problem, that's why it's not there. So you have to manage and I'll try that the voice should not break. Just hold on.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I clear now? So hard, can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Shubh,
Yes, ma'am.
I want to ask what do you mean by indoor games? Do you know? We are recapitulating that chapter, okay, that we have done before already. Yes, Shubh. Pranjal, if I have say you all to stay muted, then why you are unmuting yourself? Shubh, unmute yourself and answer.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by indoor games?
Ma'am, indoor games are that.
Akrishi, Akrishi, did I took your name? Are you sure?
No, ma'am, I am Akash. Okay.
Yesterday I have explained you this that you will not speak when I'll call anyone else to speak. Shubh, where are you? Shubh, please unmute yourself. Shubh, can you hear me? Then please unmute yourself if you can hear me. Shubh, please turn on your audio. Okay, Vedang. I think Shubh is not getting unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vedang, what do you mean by indoor games? Can you please tell?
Ma'am, carom. Carom.
But that is the
Ludo.
example of indoor. These are the types of indoor games. I'm asking, what are indoor games? What do you mean by that?
Football.
Pranchal, unmute yourself right now. Mute yourself. Yes, Vedang. Vedang, what do you mean by in?
Indoor game, ma'am. Like chess.
Vedang, I'm not asking to tell me the types of indoor games. I'm asking you exactly where do we play indoor games? Can you tell?
Ma'am, house.
House. Inside the house or outside the house?
Inside. In
So combine all the words now. Frame a sentence. Try to frame a sentence.
indoor game. Play in a house.
Indoor games are played inside the house. Yeah, right. Yes, Ekam. What do you understand by outdoor games?
Ma'am, which games we play outside?
So hard.
In our house.
I asked from Ekam.
Ma'am, which we play in our house outside.
That we play in our house outside.
How to relax? That we play in our outside.
Ekam, your voice is not.
That we play outside.
Okay, the games that you play outside. Fine. So you should always reply in full sentences, Ekam. Whether any question is asked, whenever any question is asked from anybody of you, then you will try to answer in full line, not in single word. Because if you will answer in single word, that will not make complete sentence. Everyone has to be in the habit of speaking in full sentences. Please take out your notebooks.
Ma'am, I have take out the notebook.
I have taken out the notebook.
Taken out. Ma'am, I have taken out the note.
Yeah.
Notebooks.
So you will write date in the right side, CW.
Notebooks.
Date CW. Lesson 3.
नहीं
Heading will be, please mute yourself, Akrishi. Care for others. I'm writing it very big because I'm writing it in my phone. But you will write it in your original handwriting.
लेसन 3 है
कैमरा ऑन नहीं थी पापा की फ्रेंड
lesson 3 book
Next heading will be difficult words.
C A R E car F
So please mute yourself.
पास वो देखो O T H E R E
Shubh, mute yourself.
Please show the screen.
I was writing it. Wait. Top line, the heading will be L3. That is lesson 3.
और पास हाँ देखा
Next line, care for others. Shubh, I want you to be muted. Why aren't you getting muted?
Ma'am, please show me sheet.
Please wait, beta. I am dictating it. You have to write in that way because if I'm going to the Zoom, then the screen is going off. First line, the heading will be L-3. That means the number of the lesson as we write it. Next line will be the name of the lesson, care for others. C-A-R-E, care. F-O-R, for. O-T-H-E-R-S, others. Next line heading will be difficult words. I'm writing everything on chat also so that you all can see, okay?
Please repeat.
I'm writing it in chat box as well. This will be the first line heading. Second line heading will be difficult words. Can you all see chat box and write?
Ma'am, care for others.
Sohar, please speak in English. After care for others, the heading will be difficult words.
Ma'am, next line. Care for others. Chat box.
Date CW.
Ma'am, written difficult words.
That's okay. That's
Ma'am,
okay.
written.
That's okay. You have to wait for others also.
Notice can be seen by everyone.
I'm writing it in this way because my page is small. You have to keep writing in the whole line as you write in class in your notebook. Difficult words. You all have to underline these things with blue pencil. Please keep in mind. Then number 1. Has everybody done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Next slide.
Okay. Now coming back, I'm writing the words here. Number 1. Number 1 is friends. Friends. We have friends in our school. And
Ma'am, what
at
is
home
number
as
1?
well. Krishi, I think you can see the screen. You are free to ask, but if I'm writing it on screen, then I think you should see and write. Can you see the screen or not? Krishi, can you see the screen? Yes or no?
आई का गोला निकल लगा दिया.
No, ma'am.
You cannot see the white screen.
No, ma'am.
अरे किसने किया?
Who is scribbling?
मैंने नहीं किया मेरे में एग्जाम नहीं लगा होगी. नहीं.
Stop talking and stay muted, please. Second word is together.
Together.
We play together, we eat together, we sleep together.
Together. Next line. Ma'am, please repeat next line.
Which line? Number 2 or number 3?
Ma'am, number 3.
But I've not yet written number 3. Please wait.
Excuse me, ma'am. What is the first one?
Who is that? Akshaj. Akshaj, can you see the white screen board on the phone? Akshaj, can you see the white screen board on the phone that I've shared?
Ma'am, please repeat next line.
I think some of you are not able to see the shared screen. So I am repeating all the words from the beginning.
No,
Number one is friends. Friend. Who was that? Vidisha, everybody do not have the same speed. I have to stop for everybody. I can't stop for you only. If everybody will write, definitely I will share. The next one. Number 1 is friends. Number 2 is together. Toth. Together. Number 3 is outside. OUT, out. SIDE, side. Number 4 is inside. The same spelling that go with outside, just change in. in. SIDE, side.
Ma'am, please repeat again. Ma'am, done.
Okay, now for everyone to recheck and write, I'm sharing the screen that I have written with me.
Ma'am, please repeat next line. Ma'am, read.
You all have to wait for everybody.
Ma'am, all words are correct.
Okay, once everybody will finish off with all the words, then we'll move ahead. Gaurvangi, tell me the first word that you have written. Which spelling you will repeat? Gaurvangi, read the
Yes, ma'am.
first word with the spelling.
The first word is friends. The spelling of the word is FRIENDS. Friends.
Very good. Very good. So you people
Thank you,
observe
ma'am.
what she has done. She has not just said number 1, friend, and the spelling. She said that it in full sentence. That is, the first word is friends. Its spelling is
Ma'am, I have written the wrong spelling.
So hard. Read number 2.
Number 2 is together. TOGETHER. Together.
Good. Akrishi.
Yes, ma'am.
Next word.
Ma'am, second word.
If you are present in the class, then you should know that this is the third word. Now I'm asking you the third word.
Okay. The third word is outside. The name of the word is
The spelling of the word.
The spelling of the word is out. OUT, out. SID, side, outside. INISID.
Excuse me,
Akshad.
ma'am.
Next. Akshad. Next word. Akshad, can you hear me? Akshar's next word. Number 4.
Ma'am, inside.
Yes. So you will speak it in full sentence, I guess.
Number 4 and number 5. Ma'am, number 4 is inside. INSEIDSIDE.
Okay, good. Ehkam. Ehkam, next word, number 5. Ira, next word, number 5.
Fishball is healthy. HEALTHY.
Okay. So the next words, again, I'm sharing the next screen with you all. Starting from number 6.